Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today in this video we will learn pronunciation of the letter Ghain and Qaf in local Arabic language. If you want to stay in Arab countries as an immigrant, you must learn the local Arabic language and local pronunciation for the communication. So let's get started. At first, we will learn the local pronunciation of the letter Ghain. The Arabs pronounce the letter Ghain almost like Gha, G-H, Ghain. For the examples, we can say Abu Gha. In modern standard Arabic, Abu Gha. In local Arabic, Abu Gha. Here, the letter Ghain pronounced like Gha. Let's repeat Abu Gha. Then Ishtaghala. In modern standard Arabic, Ishtaghala. In local Arabic, Ishtaghal. Let's repeat Ishtaghal. Then Gair. In modern standard Arabic, Gair. In local Arabic, Ghair. Let's repeat Ghair. Then Ghurfa. In modern standard Arabic, Ghurfa. In local Arabic, Ghurfa. Let's repeat Ghurfa. Then Ghasala. In modern standard Arabic, Ghasala. In local Arabic, Ghasal. Then Ghaniyun. In modern standard Arabic, Ghaniyun. In local Arabic, Ghani. Let's repeat Ghani. Let's see the pronunciation of the letter Qaf in local Arabic. The Arabs pronounce the letter Qaf in two ways. The first one is they pronounce the letter Qaf almost like G. Qaf. For examples, we can say Qama. In modern standard Arabic, Qama. In local Arabic, Gum. Here, the letter Qaf has pronounced like G. Ga. Then Qabla. In modern standard Arabic, Qabla. In local Arabic, Qabl. Let's repeat Qabl. Then Qala. In modern standard Arabic, Qala. In local Arabic, Qal. Let's repeat Qal. Then Haqqun. In modern standard Arabic, Haqqun. In local Arabic, Hagg. Let's repeat Hagg. Then Qalamun. In modern standard Arabic, Qalamun. In local Arabic, Ghulam. Let's repeat Ghulam. Then Sadiqun. In modern standard Arabic, Sadiqun. In local Arabic, Sadiq. Let's repeat Sadeg, Sadeg. Then Shakka, Shakka. In modern standard Arabic, Shakka. In local Arabic, Shagga, Shagga. Let's repeat. Shagga, Shagga. The second one is for famous names, they pronounced the letter Qaf with its own pronunciations. For examples, Al-Quran, Al-Quran in modern standard Arabic, Al-Quran. In local Arabic, Al-Quran, Al-Quran. Here, the letter Qaf has pronounced with its own pronunciations because it's a famous name of religious book. Then Al-Qahira, Al-Qahira in modern standard Arabic, Al-Qahira. In local Arabic, Al-Qahira, Al-Qahira. Here, the letter Qaf pronounced it one's pronunciation because Al-Qahira is a name of famous town in Egypt. In the next videos, we will learn more pronunciation rules. So, subscribe the channel. Thank you for the watching.